Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech, and what are you looking at here? This is just a glimpse, and shout out to my wife's colleague Mars. He went to the Me store today. He's been trying to get me a Redmi K30 Pro unit, and it's so tough guys because the border is closed from China right now. It is almost impossible to get units, but he went there tonight and actually just sent me this vertical footage. I know it's not good, but it's just a glimpse here of the Redmi K30 Pro. Now the version that he took a look at here is the bottom line version. So this is the 6 GB, 128 gigs of storage. There you see the specs of this Redmi K30 Pro. And this is the one that hit that price point at $2,999 There's the view of the back. Now the back is glossy on this version. Yes, there is the price of the Redmi K30 Pro. I'm not a huge fan of the glossy back, so that's the question I want to ask you guys. And there you see 128 GB. Should I pick up this standard version of the Redmi K30 Pro, or should I try to get the Zoom edition? I've heard from my guy, it's gonna be hard to pick up the Zoom edition in the first couple of weeks. So hit me up in the comments, would you wanna see this standard version on the channel before seeing the Zoom edition version? I will do everything I can, guys, to get this video gorgeous green color too. Let me also know which color variant you think I should get. Should I get the green, the purple, or some other color? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear it. But just a quick glimpse here. Thanks to Mars, and this is Frankie Tech signing off.